I'm gonna go ahead and give it one test cast. That's it. I'm gonna walk down.
All right.
Is it gonna be safe?
Going fishing, guys. At the creek today. Caleb will be fine, don't worry. It's just.
Hey, Jack.
You already caught one?
Yes. Hey, he's a sunfish.
Yeah, you caught a sunfish, bro. First sunfish of the day right here.
Hey, watch out.
Dude, Caleb just cooked up right there.
Watch out. Watch
Can I
out.
check it out right there? Dude, that's
You
a
can see
good.
it.
That's a good
got
one.
him.
That's actually a good. That's the biggest fish I've actually seen caught here.
Actually?
All right, it's my turn. Well, we could both be down here.
Yeah. Okay, let me get a picture, bro.
That's actually a good sunfish.
Hold on. I gotta
Shoot, I'm gonna fall.
Huh?
I'm gonna fall.
No, you're not.
Bring the bait down here.
I will.
She's a fat one.
Hey, I saw a bait.
Yeah, they don't take your bait. Dude, it took my bait.
Did he really?
Literally, just did. Bring the thing down here.
Should I start him up and use the bait? No, I'm gonna release him.
Well, can you bring the bait down here?
Oh, yeah.
Don't throw it while I'm right here.
I'm gonna throw him
You give him a little blankie bath. If that thing comes at me. Nice release. Yes, please. We already caught one sunfish today.
Actually, I'm gonna leave the bait like right here.
No, but I need to get it.
Oh, yeah.
Just give me it.
Here you go.
All right.
I'm gonna just cast from up here.
You sure? You better not hit me. I lost him. I lost it. Yeah. Dude! You just almost killed him. It took my bait. Yes. That's honestly a good cast. Boss. Oh, you got your bait took. Yo, this one's huge.
What? Hold on.
All right.
You scoot to the right a little. So I know there's
Kind of can't. Kind of can't.
No, don't. Oh, bro, they're too small.
What do you mean they're too small?
Hold on. FYI, Jack, I'm putting my rod right here in this rod.
Dude, it took my bait. Bro, stop. Actually, dude.
I'm not doing anything.
Grab. Watch out. Watch out.
You don't even really have to cast it. Just put it over there in the deep end.
Dude.
Like, go under him. Like this. Hey, Jack.
Oh, that's a big one.
It is.
It's a good sunfish.
It's the same one.
It's another sunfish?
No, it's the same sunfish.
How do you know it's the same sun? Oh, shoot.
Maybe I can...
Dude. Yo, I'm trying to fish here too. I'm trying to fish too. I'm trying to fish.
Ah! Back.
I'm trying to fish.
I don't want to get bit by this dude. Yeah, no, I'm going to bring my towel down here.
Got her.
Nice. A big
Dude! Really?
jaw.
Yes.
Hey, this is fun, Jack. You're going to get a big one over there. I know you are. That's what she said.
Oh, I thought it took my bait. It wasn't biting.
Okay, I need more bait.
Nope. Didn't take my bait yet.
You friggin' bait. You know what?
It took my bait.
Huh?
It took my bait.
It's kind of cramped down here.
I know, but
It works.
You can go down there. Look. See that spot right there?
I will. Hold on. Maybe.
Dude, came off.
Ready?
Dude, it keeps coming off, but it didn't take my bait. But it's just every single time it's in the air, it just comes off. Guess what? Took my bait. Okay.
You see he still got the blue stripes on?
Yeah. I don't know if I should be wiping this on my jersey. Take my bait.
Yeah, other than video games. Yeah. I'm saying not the coffee.
Yeah, Caleb. Yo! Yo! Like the 50,000th time today. Everything's been taken by bait, but he's been catching everything.
You want me to change your water?
Yeah, in a second.
Come on. You know, you're going to go on there either way. Why try? Now, look at this food.
If
Wait, isn't that the,
dude, okay.
isn't that the hook you were using last time?
Yeah, and I caught tons of fish.
Maybe I took my luck. I took my luck from my mom.
Didn't take my bait.
Oh, that was big too. Bro, it took my bait too. There's something over there breathing under the rock. Probably.
Took my bait.
Yeah.
Me.
Yeah, me too.
Stop playing with me.
Now, oh wait. Am I stuck on a rock? Or is it a turtle?
That's a turtle.
Is it actually, is it actually?
Lift it up. Reel in.
I can't. Look. All it does is take turtle. There we go.
What was it?
A rock. A rock or a branch or something.
All right.
No!
That was a perfect spot.
Huh. Where I cast it or where you cast it? We can make like a little burn to be able to pull a rod on that we find it or cast it. We got a knife on it? I got a big one on too. Big fish. I mean, big bait is big fish, right?
Yeah.
Where are you at? Over there?
Holy.
Oh,
Yo.
you found what?
Yo.
Get him over here. Not on
That is huge. Y'all see
Wait.
that? Yo, that is huge.
Watch out.
No, that is like humongous.
Wait, why is he so big?
That's a sunfish, right?
Yeah.
That is, oh,
Here.
dude. That's like the biggest fish yet.
Yeah, it is.
Yo, that is, oh, dude, that here.
You
I'm
want
like-
to take it off?
Yeah, you can take it off. I'm scared. Scared this little beast.
Yeah, let me take this off. Actually, no, I'm starting to
Your slimy gills,
Yeah, I got you.
dude.
Watch out.
Dude, that is such a good one too.
Not him.
That's such a big one too. Dude, what the heck, Caleb?
I think we're like
Right in that middle is where all that stuff is.
right in the middle.
Right. No. I gotta release. Gotta roll back up. That wasn't good. Right here.
Right there?
Yeah.
Alright. I mean, you want your spot, bro. I'm going over there. Oh.
I took my bait. It's playing with it.
Oh! You took my bait.
Same. No, it didn't.
Yes, it did. Yeah, you said it was fun. Should I come further down and see?
Took my bait.
Did it really? Did it?
I'm gonna take a shower tonight.
Me too.
Yeah, you need to take a shower tonight. Did you pack clothes?
Yes. I mean, obviously. Next one I'm keeping, I'm cut. Next one I'm gonna shoot it and cut.
Took my bait. Same here.
Oh. What have I done? Oh, I didn't do anything. My dad said that he was going to your dad's bar to get food. Do they serve food?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
What'd you say?
But there's only one more in this. Yeah.
Nope. Gotta throw it out there.
Huh?
Gotta throw it out there.
What, those?
Nope. Oh yeah. Let's go, baby. Yep. All right, that's number 2 for me today. Let's go, baby. Number 2 right there. Uh-huh. What? All right, watch out.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to clean the fish too, you know. Right?
No, I'm just cutting them up with that bait. And make them,
We don't have a knife or anything.
I do.
Oh, you do? Dude, I might slip and fall. Okay. That's number 2 for me today. Yo, we're back. Caleb's actually trying to test if these fish are cannibals. We caught a fish earlier. We showed y'all. And we cut the tail, and we're using it as bait and see if these fish... They've been nibbling, right, Caleb?
Mm-hmm.
So they're nibbling at it. But I got another can of red worms, so let's continue.
Yeah, I'm thinking they're not cannibals. You coming down here?
Yeah, I just need to check this. Shoot.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just say they're not cannibals. No fish actually supposed to be.
They're just nibbling.
Yeah.
Yo, hold up. This is actually hard. I hate going down here. Caleb, watch out, watch out.
You got it?
I got it. Yo!
What?
They took it right after you left.
What?
They took it right
No,
after.
they didn't.
Yes, they did. What's that?
What?
Why is that fish still there? That's the fish we caught, and Caleb wanted me to throw it in the water. Right here. Watch out.
Hold on. Let me get this on and then I'm in. Yours?
Gotcha. Gotcha, sucker. Right? My first cat's coming back. We catch a fish.
Oh, my towel.
Shoot, I forgot to grab it. My bad. That's the fish. Just caught it. It's like, that's a good one, too. It's a solid sunfish.
Hey, grab one here. Here, let me teach you. No.
No,
let me
you got
teach
to
Yeah,
glide back.
you have to glide back.
Just need you to hold on to the line real quick.
Yep. Okay. Glide back.
You can hold the rod, too.
Okay, I got you. Glide back.
Dang, hold up. This
Slide your hand back.
Dude, look at the worm. It didn't take my bet, right? Oh, yeah, let's go.
That's a bit of a lot. You know worms bleed? Look, the worm bled. I don't think
Oh,
that
yeah.
was a worm.
Right
Here,
here.
let me. Oh, you took bait.
Yep.
Here.
I have 3 fish today. How many do you have? 5? Yeah, 6, 7. Shut up. Well, I started it. Dude, stop. There's another spot we're going to go test in a little bit.
Huh?
There's another spot we're going to go test in a little bit. Yeah, it's down that way. It's another deep hole.
Is it still in the same creek?
Yeah, but you can't, like, go down here. It's just, like,
On the top.
yeah, you have to fish.
Make it drunk.
That's a can't say that word.
Really?
Do you know what that word means?
No.
I'll tell you off camera.
Jack.
Shark.
Learn to cast. Do I need to give you casting lessons? Feel them?
Yup.
You know what? I'm saying
Dude, something, like, jumped up. Oh, yo.
my bad. Go ahead.
Didn't take my bait. You're saying I need to learn how to cast.
What?
Good spot. Hold up.
Oh, he took it!
Yeah, same.
You know what?
Yeah, mine.
I actually got a good rod. Here you go.
Your video. Thank you. Oh, okay. Yo, I need to go grab that towel.
Nah. Bro, look at this dude flipping out. Just makes it worse. Remember that.
That's true.
Huh? Did you say that?
I said that's true.
Oh. I thought you said that's what
Why do you always think I say that? Yo, it's a forecast. Took my bait. Watch this. Kobe.
Yeah. No way.
Did you? It felt like I got something, honestly. Just let it sit like top. It actually has blood pouring out of it.
Yeah, mine. Mine did a minute ago. Nice cat.
They're trying to swim away with it.
I know. I'm gonna leave it down there. No way. He took it. Bro, I needed to get a better barb on mine. I was like, to be able to put the
Blobbert.
good. Nice cast.
Thanks. Yo.
I'm trying to keep my hook away from you. Whoa.
Yo.
What?
Mine just almost like actually got away with it.
Fish and win another date. I'm trying to attract and win by throwing everything down. Wait, are these baby worms?
I don't know, are they?
They reproduced in here, bro. Because they're in my fridge for like a week. Too.
Alright. Something took my bait. Caleb, I said we're doing pretty good out here. Worm goose?
Yeah. That's what it's called, I think. I don't know. I'm casting right here in the middle.
Not to be weird, but the like weird stuff was clear. Ha. I mean crap. Yo. Shoot.
Yeah, tangled up.
Yo, let's go. Got another fish, baby. There's what's that, number 3 on the deck? No, well yeah, for total it's 10, but for us it's 3. Well, for me it's 3. Oh, Caleb, kind of need your help over here. Kind of need your help over here. Dude, you can't even hold a bluefish or whatever it's called.
No, those are the ones that actually have teeth.
Let me take it up.
Ow! I swear.
All right. Um,
Mark, release them back out.
yeah. Same.
Flipping. I'm throwing a big one on. Ew, you want some blood?
I don't want blood. What's nasty?
Worm blood? I got a nice rod. You got like a $20, $30 rod.
Shut up. Still does the job.
I know. Well, I also use this for saltwater.
Yeah, I'm all about that white. About that white.
Freaking kidding me? I stopped myself. My rod good right there.
Yeah, it's fine. Why don't we just have rod holders? Like, we just put the rod. Oopsie daisy. Dude, why is it? Okay, wait, hold up.
I'll pass downstream a bit. I think they're just getting free meals down there.
I mean, it is dinner time. Oopsie, sorry.
Are you kidding me? I'm about to switch to a small lure just to see. Maybe.
You don't need help? Are you good?
Huh?
You're gonna switch to a lure?
Maybe. Let's see.
Dude, this shower's about to come in clutch later.
Shower?
Later, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Honestly, you want to just hop in with the fish? Become one
There's
of the
turtles in there.
And?
If we get bit, what happens?
And? You call 911. I'm casting everybody there. Just to see. What's lurking over there. Are you kidding me? I'm about to scoot down that way just a little tad.
We can switch spots if you want.
Huh?
Switch spots if you want.
I'm just gonna like, I'm gonna go up top and then I'm gonna go down there.
I need a worm. Thank you. Oh, fish breathing right there. No, right there.
Turtle.
You think that's a turtle?
Yeah. Get another fish.
Okay.
Bruh.
You fell. No need to call. I was about to say no need to call you when I just got another fish, but it came off right before I lifted it up. I'm gonna rehook it because it's not hooked on there. Great. There. All right. We'll play top water game. Okay. Dude, one time I went here, used artificial bait or like a lure, caught nothing. Now, come here, use live bait, catch a whole lot of stuff. Except for that, it's in the bait, but actually there's still a little bit of bait on there. I could catch something. Oh, it took my bait. Okay, oh, fish right there. Dang it, took my bait. Oh, Caleb's back, by the way. Say hi, Caleb.
Hi.
He fell earlier, by the way. Yeah, all right, bet. These fish are kind of pros to take. Oh! It was a log. It felt like, I thought it was an eel at first. You know what an eel is, right? Okay. Should. Take my bait. Let me see if I can just let it sit in the water and see if so. What? Zach who? Yeah, why? How? How? Come out.
Jack, don't laugh. Oh, I just had something big come after it. Hold on.
Yo. Saw something. Where was it?
Huh?
Where was it?
I don't know.
Dude, I think there's a bass nest right here.
Could be. Oh, gosh. I said gosh.
I know, you're chilling.
Where?
Oh, shoot.
Okay. We're good.
Okay.
I need to untangle my lure.
Oh, I about just cooked you up.
Stop. It's on a log.
Dude, a log or a turtle?
It's a log. Here, do you want my trap?
Yeah.